They have really nice jewelry here, but I feel like I'm gonna get the sapphire one. Sapphire is my birthstone. So they have like stuff like these. And I really just want something simple, so I'm probably gonna get this one. I'm also looking at rings.
157. Yeah, one was also the star was 90. Oh yes.
I might get one of these.
$50.
So I found this bracelet.
Yes, I'm getting it. No,
and it's beautiful. I might get this one. I like one of these. Alright, so we're about to go do Quest, which is like, we're on this side, which is like a game show on the cruise.
Last time Johnny
it's about to be lit. Yeah, last time Johnny dressed up as a girl, so hopefully, hopefully it'll be just as fun this time.
Let's go over some simple rules for you and your team to follow for a successful and safe road to victory. First, please don't bring any food or beverages onto the playing area. Always use designated aisleways and handrails.
It's a scavenger hunt that never leaves the room. Sounds simple, right? But I know it doesn't matter how many times you see the quest, it's always different. It's the same. Male team captain, team number in hand. Male team captain, team number in hand. From where you are, down to me. From where you are, down to me, team number in hand, wearing a pair of ladies' high heel shoes. Go! Put it on the shoulders. Do not move until you are complete as a unit, okay? Again, do not move from where you are until you are complete as a unit. What I now want to see is your team number and 10 men from your team riding their invisible motorcycles towards me. Go! 10 men, don't play this. Go. Team 1, get back. Team 1, get back. Team 10. Team 7, Team 8, Team 1. Team 3, 2, Team 4.
First of all, Johnny and CJ went on the wrong team.
Yeah, the team sucks.
Yeah, like what the heck?
Alright, I need to see your team number. Your team number and 7 different shoes from 7 different pairs. Go!
So we back at the club, and I'm trying to figure out who is this white boy that's coming us down. Who is he? What you doing? What you doing? So I'm in the casino for the first time, y'all, and I won $5. I just won $5.05 back.
Cash out,
so
cash
boom.
out. Cash out. Give me $1 in quarters. I want to play this game.
So it's finally the very last day. We just chilling today. I think we might go surfing later because we didn't do that yet. But everyone's just in the jacuzzi. And we chilling. We just got out of the jacuzzi and because it's the last day we didn't go surfing yet, we're about to go surfing.
Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic! Don't panic!
So the cruise is coming to an end and everyone's partying. This is my waitress, Belly. Go Belly, go Belly. Love her, she's been amazing this whole trip. So it's the last night and we're all in the casino playing the lotto. We paid $2 for our tickets. And you know, we could win $1 million tonight.
Yes,
and if we do,
that's what we're
buying this boat.
Yes, Avens of the Sea.
Wow. They said 9 and 32, and I had 8 and 31.
Nobody's a winner, no winner.
It's 6:30 in the morning and the whole family's meeting so that we can leave, get off the boat before all the commotion. All of our stuff is packed. Here's all my stuff. And we out. I'm gonna end this here because there's really not much left to show. But that was basically it. That was our vacation. And until next time.